In this video, this will be my first overview on this channel. So here we go. This is our Lennox Elite Series furnace from 1998. And this furnace was installed in 1998, and it's been a very great furnace to us for its age. And here's what's inside. Here is the inducer motor. It is a Fastco, and this is the original inducer motor. And here is the ignition control, and it's a Honeywell. And here is the burners, and right around there is the flame sensor. And this furnace uses a spark igniter. And here is the model number. You can tell it's in 1998 by the serial number right there, the first 4 digits. And a YouTube user named Sharky626 has an identical furnace to this. The only difference between this furnace and his furnace is that his uses a glow bar igniter, and this uses a spark igniter. And it only has a few services done to it, which was the ignition control and the control board. Other than that, it's been pretty solid for being 23 years old. And it just shows that Lennox was a very reliable company for their products. And that is the overview of our Lennox Elite Series furnace from 1998. Please subscribe and click the notification bell and check out Sharky626's video on this exact furnace. Thank you for watching.